Okay, welcome back, guys. It's been a long time since I've done an update here, but here behind me we have the engine for the Xterra and the engine hoist. If you guys haven't seen the other videos on the Xterra, we bought it for $1,000 with a blown head gasket, hobbled its way out to this property, and then spent the next week tearing the engine apart, found broken pistons. The engine was done for, so we ripped it out and it's just sort of sat there for the last couple months. That's because it's been snowy, super cold out. It's been like -20s, -30s for the past like 2-3 months. The garage down in the corner is not heated. So yeah, we just finished picking up the engine. I didn't get any of that on video, but there's the engine. Got an engine hoist in the back, brand new. And we're gonna try to make it down. I'm gonna try to make it down here, down to the shop to get it unloaded. We can start bolting stuff back together. Got a few more parts left to buy, and then yeah, this project will continue. We will have the Xterra running just before spring. Now, this is supposed to be a winter beater project, so I guess it'll be a 4x4 or winter beater for next year. I also need to get it running so I can get this lovely car right here. I'll get a whole bunch of stuff fixed on that. We got suspension, whatnot. So yeah. There it is, there's a beast if you guys remember it. No engine. So we just gotta fit that in the back there. Into there. Should be no problem. So. Uh-oh. I just ripped my pants. Step 1 is done. Jack is out. That's good.
I don't know what kind of weight that ratchet strap's right in there. We're gonna find out right away.
Seems to be holding for half a second here.
I'm just gonna pull right out and then we'll...
Yeah. Nice and easy. I gotta go up a bit more. Okay, go. Go ahead. Okay. Aiming for the thread. Okay. Easy does it. There, I would stop it there.
actually move it.
Yeah, just good enough. Okay. So there it is. So before we leave for today, we've got a 4x4. What do you want to see done to it? You want to see light bar installs, winch installs? It's already got a bumper on it. What do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to see me do with it? Obviously we'll go do some off-roading this summer. Let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next, and we'll try to make that happen for you. That's it for today. The next time you see us, this will be on an engine hoist, getting a bunch of new parts added to it, and then we'll be shoving it into there and hopefully getting it running. So stay tuned. We'll see you next video. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to go and browse some of my other videos. I was recently in Australia at the Mighty Car Mods event. Video link should be right here. I have a link to a bunch of different car shows right there. If you're interested in seeing the first couple Xterra videos, that's up here. And don't forget to subscribe for more of this stuff.